Hi everyone. Uh, Again, me, Edin from Meet Bosnia agency in Sarajevo. Today we are going to present you one very unique shop. We are going to talk about baklava and we are going to show you best baklava in Sarajevo. Emir is going to tell us more about this authentic baklava. Hi Emir.
My name is Samir, and I'm going to tell you a little story about this shop and what we are selling. We are selling only traditional Bosnian products, authentic Bosnian products. Everything here in the shop, it's homemade from beginning to the end. The mother and the son are the owners of the business who making the sweets. So we have a little bit of products, only like 5 or 6 products, but they are authentic Bosnians. As I tell you, like also traditional Bosnian, traditional means that everything is homemade from beginning to the end. So mother and the son are making the sweets, and I'm gonna tell you like a little story about every type of baklava that we have. Okay, as I tell you, we have 5 or 6 products. First of it, it's called Hurmagic. It's basically like mixture of butter, flour, and eggs mixed together, and something like biscuits dipped in syrup. We have something. It's called sweet kaimak triangle. It's filled with something that we call sweet kaimak. It's basically like milk cheese, milk cream, and something like crumble cookies. This baklava, it's very unique because we are calling it Jandar baklava. It's only common for this area of Bosnia and Herzegovina. And it's unique because process of making that baklava, it's at least 3 days. We have 3 different types of it. We have walnut, hazelnut, and almond. This baklava, it's called rough translation to English. It's called roses. It has walnut in it and mixture of butter, flour, and eggs. And we have traditional baklava that is on like common in whole areas of the world. This is Sarajevo baklava, how Sarajevo people make it. It's also the walnut inside and mixture of butter, flour, and eggs.
Well, thank you Emir for
Thank you.
presenting your shop. It was my pleasure and see you next time. So this was for today. Next time we are going to promote some other local shop and business in Sarajevo. See you soon.